This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to download account statements on Etrade. Whether you're using the Etrade website or app, accessing your account statements is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To begin, you'll need to log in to your Etrade account. This can be done either through the website or directly via the app. Once you've successfully logged in, you should find yourself on the home page. If for some reason you're not on this main page, don't worry, you can easily navigate back by using the top left menu. This menu is your friend for switching between different sections of your account. Now that you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Documents. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to another section where you'll need to select Documents and Statements. It's in this area that all your important account documents are stored and organized. Inside the Documents and Statements section, you'll notice it's divided into several categories. You'll see trade confirmations, tax documents, correspondence, and of course the section we're interested in today, Statements. Your account statements will be neatly organized here, making it easy for you to find what you're looking for. To zero in on the specific statement you need, you can filter your statements by various time periods. Options include the last 10 days, 30 days, 90 days, or even yearly statements. Choose the time frame that best suits your needs by selecting it from the available options. Once you've selected your desired time period, it's time to access your statement. Simply click on the statement you wish to view. This will open it up for you to review. From here, you have several options at your disposal. You can view the statement directly on your screen, download it onto your device, or save it for future reference. This flexibility ensures you can manage your documents in a way that best fits your lifestyle. In some cases, you might find that a particular statement isn't immediately available. If this happens, you might need to request it or wait a little longer for it to be generated. Patience is key, but rest assured, it will be accessible soon. And there you have it. That's how you download account statements on Etrade. With these steps, managing your financial documents becomes a simple task, allowing you to stay on top of your investments with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.